Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a gradient shape in Canva. Open Canva and log in to your account. Once you are on the home page, create a new design by choosing a size that fits your project. It can be a social media post, a presentation slide, or even a custom dimension. When your blank canvas opens, look at the left toolbar and click on Elements. From there, scroll down to the Shape section and choose the shape you want to use. You can pick a circle, square, triangle, or any other option available. Once you click on a shape, it will appear on your canvas. Resize it by dragging the corners and place it where you want it. Now select the shape by clicking on it. At the top of the screen, you will see the color options appear. Click on the color tile to open the color panel. In this panel, Canva shows you a variety of colors, but it also includes gradient options. Scroll through until you find the Gradients section. You will notice different gradient combinations such as pink to purple, blue to green, or orange to yellow. Click on one of these gradient color choices, and instantly your shape will be filled with the gradient effect. Once your gradient shape is ready, you can start adding other design elements such as text, images, or icons. When you are done with your project, go to the top right corner of Canva and click on the Download button. Choose the file type you want, such as PNG, JPG, or PDF, and then save it to your computer.